actually. Trying to see what this tornado siren does. This is the Ohio School for the Blind here. We're not going to trespass, go on the other side of the fence. I'm with my sister Madison, who's a big fan of tornado sirens. Maybe I'll give a shout out to her channel or whatnot. But this is the last thunderbolt. What is it again?
Thunderbolt 1000.
Thunderbolt 1000. This is the last one, or at least one of the last ones in Columbus, Ohio. If not all of Franklin County for that matter. You guys can see it. I'll circle it there. Maybe I'm not going to get much closer. Actually, I'll walk up a little bit. But there it is. We have no clue if it works. There's rumors that it's decommissioned, which means it probably doesn't work. I don't know. Either way, I think we'll go check out some other sirens here or something. But there it is right there. Very old school tornado siren. That was put in 1953, I heard. And my bike is falling over. We'll wait till noon and maybe go to this siren and see if it works, or maybe we'll hang out at a different one and see what happens. All right, well, not sure if this thing works. We're hoping it does. It's 11:59 now. It's the noon bell. Siren should be sounding any minute, any second. You gonna record?
I never knew there was something. I never meant to.
I'd start right now. There's other sirens near, so we'll be able to hear those at least, if this thunderbolt doesn't work.
I never knew that there was a siren. Well, no, not a siren, but that type at least. I was in shock when I heard that. They use their Westminster chimes too.
Yeah.
For the moon. Yeah, this one's deactivated, so it doesn't run.
Yep, it's deactivated.
I don't even think they even have a panel in there for it.
Yeah.
I think it's just like, I don't know, I think it's just a siren on top. I just haven't got rid of it. That's that one over there facing towards us.
Those are the standard Wayland
Those
sirens.
ones go like this and like that.
There are some?
So yeah, they don't go like in a circle, they go like back and forth.
After the tornado siren didn't pan out, we decided to go to a nearby railroad crossing and do a little rail fanning instead. Big grain train. Here's the next one. No way. I had no idea they were going to be here today. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's insane. That's the test unit or whatever it's called.